Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA continues to be in this pattern that we identified in the last video, this ascending wedge, which would rather suggest a move to the downside from here. And then we've got a support area where we are going to see a decision if we are going to follow the blue count here to the upside, because if the support is holding here around 30 cents, that would allow us to follow the blue count further and have at least upside potential, even if it is at the current stage only short-term upside potential. Due to everything what's happening in the market and the overall Elliott wave structure of the ADA chart, I'm not in a position at the moment to suggest that the low is in, especially not with a diagonal pattern like this one. When we have a diagonal pattern which includes a lot of overlaps and which can very easily be just a corrective wave pattern to the upside, which would lead to an impulse. Yeah, whenever we have that, what I want to see the low in the wave 2 retracement to hold, and we would then move up in 5 waves, and I want to see those 5 waves complete, and then I'm happy to buy into the retracement of this larger wave 1, okay? So what is interesting now is the price action in this, well, wedge pattern. I have difficulties now to count this still as B wave, I must be honest. And the reason is that this is a 5 wave move up from the low, from here, from 31 cents. Yeah, it would have been possible until here, but now it's getting difficult. So it's a 5 wave move up. It's only a diagonal again, but it is a 5 wave move up. What is now the possibility? Well, I could consider, like I do it on the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts, or on the Ethereum chart especially, that a high was made already here in the wave 1. That was the high of 32 cents nearly. That was on the 23rd of November. That we, and I have to go to the 30-minute chart for that, that we already came down in an A wave. That this here was already the B wave. And again, this is micro counting, so they shift often, these micro counts. And that this was a C wave, and we've already seen the wave 2. And that from here we are moving higher. This would be, for me, quite likely if this level is going to break the 32 cent level and we are breaking out of the wedge to the upside. So if we break out of the wedge to the upside, I would consider that a wave 2 was already in. Until then, I'm still looking at this wave 2 down here, okay? But I'll put it on the chart so you can understand the waves and subwaves. So if we say wave 3 is current, that would mean wave 3 is currently unfolding. If wave 3 is currently unfolding, we need to see some strong movements over the next sessions. And we can count here the subwaves as 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm just thinking, that's probably 4. And then here 5. Again, not a high reliability pattern, but more likely than the other one. So you've got here 5 waves up. So 5 waves in wave 3. That means this would be the first wave of the third wave. Something like this. We might just be putting wave 2 in. There'll be 3, 4, 5. Again, this is micro counting. Don't be surprised if this changes in the next video. Yeah, best to be very clear about that. And generally, my primary expectation for ADA is still another low. Okay, so this looks so corrective to the upside that it all depends on the retracement now. If we, so in any, generally you could say short term, we are focusing on higher as long as at any time we're holding the 78.6% retrace. So that's at 30 cents at the moment. If we hold that level in any retracement, we can focus on higher. If not, if we don't hold it, then we are probably going to break down into the region around 27 cents next. But yeah, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.